Hey, good morning everyone. My name is Rohitash. In today's video, we are going to learn the most commonly used GitHub commands, perfect for beginner who are just getting started with Git and Git version control. We will go through commands like git clone, git status, git add, git commit, git push, and git pull. So let's start with GitHub basic commands. When you watch this video, you will learn how to create a new branch, how to push a code on GitHub, how to create a PR, how to merge your changes into main branch, then how to take updated code pull. These above all commands needed when your repo already set up on your system. If not set up, then what? If not set up, then we will watch next video. But let's start and finish the basic command of GitHub when your repo is set up on your system. First, we will walk through how to create a branch. Let's suppose your senior said you have to create a new branch from the main branch and you need to do your code on your branch. Then after you can push your changes on your branch and then give the PR to the main. How we will do that? Let's watch. First of all, you have to open your project in the terminal, means command prompt. Some student got confused using Mac or Windows, but it doesn't matter. You have to go to your repo, means your project, repo means your project tree. Then just right click and open these project in the terminal. Let's suppose I have opened my project. I have a repo with name JavaScript interview questions and answer. Then first of all I will check in which branch I am. So I will write two commands. I can check in which branch I have. So I can use two commands to check in which branch I am. Git status. So using git status, you will see on your branch name. There is a one more command. Why that command? You can also check in what is your current branch. Git branch. Using git branch, it will display in what branch you are in. So I am in main branch. So your senior said you have to create your own branch. So let's suppose I am creating new branch. So the new branch command is git checkout -b, then your branch name. So let's suppose today I will update only readme file. So I am creating the branch name with the readme file update 1. So now branch is created from the main as senior said. If you do the git status, then you will see on branch name is readme file updated branch 1. So now you are in your current branch and your manager said you have to do your changes, yani ki you have to do your work on your branch. So let's open the VS code and do some changes in the readme file and then push those changes and then create the PR. To open a VS code in Windows, to open a VS code, we can simply write git code space dot. Then after this current project will open in the VS code. Now code is open in the VS code. Let me open the readme file. So in readme file, I am just writing my name here and save it. Now I will go to the terminal. I will check what changes I have done. Here I will write first git status. Using git status, we can check how many files are modified or added. So only one file is modified. So what you have done, you have to give some message now. So the command to give some message to remember that key I have done these changes. So the command name is git commit -am, A for added and M for modified. So before giving the commit command, we have to add this file in the git. So what is the command? Git add dot. So then after you need to check whether this command is added in the git or not. So we will write git status. So now its color is changed to the green. Always it will change to the green. Then we will write the some message so we can remember these changes I have done. So the command for that is git commit -am, A for added, M for modified, and the commit message is I have updated the readme file, and just enter. Then if you again write the git status command, then you will see nothing to commit. You have committed your changes, but your changes is not going to the server. Still your changes on your local means in your computer. Server means on your company GitHub account. So if you work in some company, then company will provide you the project access on github.com. So let me walk through the github.com. Suppose this is your company github.com account. Then you have to go to your project first. So this is some another project, HTML layout using flex box CSS, like that. So what I will do, I have to go to my profile icon, then I have to click on your repositories, and then in that repositories, whatever access they given you, your company given you, those project listed here. If not given, then that project you will not see. So we have to go to the JavaScript interview questions, because in this uh, project we have to update the readme file on our branch. So we have to go to this project. So you will see there is a branch icon. So in already the branch name is main JavaScript question yes par test. So the branch we have created right now, that is not listed here. Why? Because as I said, our code is only committed to the local, not pushed to the server. So this is like a github.com server. Here code is not coming right now. So what we will do, we will again go to the terminal. Then there is a push command, git push origin your branch name. My branch name is readme file update 1. So I will, what I will do, I will copy or I will paste, which is a right way. Then after I will hit the enter. Lastly you will see done. Now again I will go to the my github.com repository and that project. So when I come here, you can check readme file update 1 is pushed on the server, and this branch name you are seeing. So now it's time to check the commit. So what commit we have done locally, we can check here. So I have selected my branch here, see. Then after I can check my commit, what commit I have given in locally. So I will click on commits. Here you can check in the front of this name there is a commit section. So in commits, when once you click on this commit section, you will see I have updated the readme file, this commit. Okay, so I have verified key whatever the commits I have given locally, that is also on the server. So my complete code updated to the server. Now I will click on the PR to create a new PR. If you see this type of message, then we can also click on the compare and pull request command to create the PR means pull request. Otherwise we can also click on the new pull request button. So once you click on new pull request button, you have to choose base branch, then compare. So your senior said you have to give the PR to the main. We always need to choose main branch as he said. Then from where you are giving the PR? From your branch. So we have to select our branch. Once this branch is selected, then after we have to click the create pull request. Before that we have to review our changes. Why we have to review the our changes? Because we haven't leave any like unused code, unused console.com. That's why, otherwise your PR will got rejected. So now I will create on the create pull request. Now your PR is ready. You can just copy this URL and send to your manager or senior. They can review, they can merge it. So how they will review and they merge? They will simply review your files. If anything is wrong, then they will commit on your files like that. They will create then plus icon and they will write please fix this one, just that. Then you will see this commit on your code, then you will fix that and you will reply fixed. Once everything is good, then your senior simply click on merge pull request and will merge this PR into the main one. Once you go to the main, then you will see your changes in the readme file. See, my name is displaying here. So as your manager said, you have to create the branch from the main, then you need to do some code and then you need to post it. So what you have to do, first you have to create the branch, then you have to do some code, then you have to post it. So we will learn how to create a new branch. So first you need to go to that branch from where you need to create the branch. To switch on a particular branch, you need to use this command git checkout main or git switch main. Both will work. Then to create a new branch, there is a simple command git checkout -b your branch name. My branch name is updated readme file. Then second is how to push code on GitHub. Once you edit any file to push on GitHub, use below commands. First you have to check what you have done the changes, so you have to use git status command, then give some message to remember your changes. Then you have to write the git commit command, so git commit -am, then write some message, then push your changes. So to push our changes, what command we will use? Git push origin then branch name. Then how to create a PR? Simply go to the github.com, then go to your project repo, then click on new pull request button, then choose the base branch and compare branch, then just click on create pull request button, then share that URL to your manager. Once your manager receive the PR, they just review your code and changes and just click on merge pull request button. Then how to take updated code pull? Simple command git pull origin main. But before taking a pull, we should know from where or from which branch I need to take the updated code pull. You have to do this cross question to the your manager or senior, from which branch I need to take the updated code pull. Then after you will write this command git pull origin main, then you will have a updated code. Let me walk through the git pull command. How to take updated code pull. So the simple command is git pull origin the branch name. Branch name, let's suppose main. The git pull origin main. So on the terminal, first of all, I will check on which branch I am. So I will write git status. Once you write, you will check I am on main branch. So I need to take a updated code pull from the main branch. So I should have on that branch from where you want to take updated code pull. So I want to take updated code pull in main branch from main. So I will write a command git pull origin main. That's it. Then you will see your updated code. So in readme updated file one branch, we have written this name. So now we are able to see this changes on our main branch. So thank you very much watching this video.